Hello everyone, Matthew Simmons here from SimmonsEssentials. I want to bring you another original design. This is the Holly Jolly knot. Let's go ahead and get started. My left side again is at the belt line as usual. Let's go ahead and put our dimple in here. I'm going to come over here, put it across the top there. We're going to come up and over here like this. Then we're going to come down and around, and then we're going to put this up and through like this, folded in half, and then we're going to leave it like this. Put it up pointed like this, like we did the Jack Frost knot. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a twist. I'm going to do a wreath here. No, actually, wait a minute. I stand corrected. I'll take that back. I'm going to do a fold around here. Then I'm going to come up and over like this, down and around like that. And then I'm going to do a wreath through here. I'm going to come up here through this like this. My tie's coming undone. That's not good. Bring that through here like this. Then I'm going to come around like that. Then I'm going to twist it again. I'm going to put it through here like so, like this. Alright. Then I'm going to put my collar down. Then I'm going to spread this out a bit. I'm going to lift this part up like this wreath. Lift this up like that and kind of have it come slanted like that. And then of course, if you have a tie doing this, just don't use it anymore. Okay, so again, there you have the Holly Jolly knot. So again, own your own style, my friends. You're fearfully wonderfully made. We'll see you in the next video.